Tlichit sa Shia, Unit 56. Fáilte go unit tlichit sa Shia. The main theme of this unit is organising a party. In Unit 41, you learned how to say that something is bigger, na smá, better, na share, and so on. To say that something is biggest, best, and so on, you use as instead of nas.
An party as mór. An party as mór, the biggest party. An party as shar. An party as shar, the best party.
Listen for taing and chalav, thank goodness. Giachanyin, exams, and Kurishin party dói. Kurishin party dói. We'll organise a party.
Tang and jellaf, and a giachanyin shechat. Kurishin party is dói.
Cudi, a party is more as a share of voundiv.
Shin would the smisse nach elaratitakum.
Schanil skilling ruagakumse.
An root as missa. An root as missa, the worst thing. Shen root as missa nach el erikit akum. The worst thing is that I haven't any money. Skilling ruag, a brown penny. Chanil skilling ruag akumse. I haven't got a brown penny.
In the next scene, listen for astora. Astora, most difficult, and amfer is trimme. Amfer is trimme, the heaviest one.
Shen rutus doros moeilijk jech jefshin.
Chanel shin dulich ijer is telum se brownty.
Och, shin jech is duja. Kursonach kan ik shin leun.
Agus levochtel brownty. En daar is de laten bakkeshin. En ver is trimme.
5 meter.
A studie. A studie. Dearest. Shin and joch a studie. That's the dearest drink.
Kursonach canach shin leun. Why don't we buy beer? And tar uselet and bakkeshin. Will you carry that bag? And the man replied, Fair, metal. Yes, my darling.
One person is dunje. The numbers 2 to 10 have special forms for referring to people collectively. They are Gish, Trúr, Kerer, Koikner, Shianer, Schechner, Ochner, Nuiner, and Jechner. From 11 onwards, you use dunje, as in dunje giek, 11 people.
In the next dialogue, listen for An tuku kurug de gunje haast. An tuku kurug de gunje haast. Did you invite anyone yet? And hoek me kurug de gooiknar. Hoek me kurug de gooiknar. I invited 5 people.
Ewing, en tuku kudig de gunje haast.
Hoek me kudig de gooikner. Agus fydd iatsen kudig de gunjelle.
Maar is moe saune schaar.
Ver iatsen kurug de gunje ille. Ver iatsen kurug de gunje ille. Will invite others.
Maar as moa, sauna schaar. Maar as moa, sauna schaar. The more, the better. Or the more, the merrier.
Evadi, en tu kusse kudig de gunje.
Hug me cúrach do dhéchnar, agus feriatsan cúrach do...
Do dhéchnar? Na can ddiwm gyn dwgw cwydwch do dhéchnar.
Hug me cúrach do Fáil agus Ellie, Ali, Brian, Steve.
Och, na chistw. Oh, well, bí hór o yelly ac yn cwyw.
Hook me cúrug do dhéchnar. I invited 10 people. Bí horo yalayakin kuyu. At least we'll have a shindig.
To ask someone to a party, you could say, Anoring with chi noun. Can you come? Or, are you able to come? Another way to ask if someone can manage to do something is to use an chech akat An chech akat chi noun. An chech akat chi noun. Can you manage to come? To respond that you can, you say, H. H. Yes, I can. To respond that you can't, you say, Chachej. Chachej. No, I can't.
Ha party gyfiaking yn och gandra. Yn jacket is chyn iawn.
H. Yn ffwyd macharage yn chyn.
Cydde dy hawn yw.
Sianar.
Och, by sy'n kerst galeawd.
Yn jacket chyn chyn y farti, Anna.
Chadje, chami dwlich. Feme me golgachi.
Yn jacket se chyn awn y chalon.
H. By mis aan gyn jigofs yn bi.
Food mocharajin, Chien. Can my friends come? Be misha aun kun chick of some bee. I'll certainly be there.
Chachej jacket and chage can be used to express exasperation or irony. In the following scenes, listen for Chachej jacket a chleich dat nas arsja and chage. Chachej jacket a chleich dat nas arsja and chage. You can't play it any louder, can you?
Jacket chluich dat nes arje, yn jage.
Och, ha mi dwlich. Gaat is meunig mi kan roa
Gaat us munig me gun roe ro art. I didn't think it was too loud.
To say it's time to go home, you say, Han tau making a golgachi. Han tau making a golgachi. It's time we went home. A gunje voch. A gunje voch. My goodness. Literally, my dear man.
A gunje voch. Sjouw dan ooit hij. Hij go vi 3 uur in savatting.
Han down making a golgachi.
Ha, kachara.
Earlier we had Marasma sound a shar. You can also say Maraslu sound a shar. Maraslu sound a shar. The smaller or the less, the better.
In the roundup, a party is in progress. Listen for An Giachin Astora. An Giachin Astora. The most difficult exam.
Kimmer that in Giachin, Kim?
Si yn diachin is dorre y vacum riaf.
Oh, ist. Roa chod don is sy'n. Cydde dwi'n efo awn called it uwt.
Siach knar.
Va si at dyn je giog ek yn giach yn ring misje.
Unit Lichet Seshek. Unit 57. This unit deals with how to do things. To suggest that someone might do something, you could use Kershon nach Dorstshiv Barach Ushke Kershon nach Dorstshiv Barach Ushke Why don't you pour more water on it?
In the following dialogue, listen also for seach cria, a clay dish.
Dé hat se bh Gianna fa sin?
Ha mi a Giannav seach cria.
Carsan nach dorst sif barach guste
Vig a cria rovok an orsing.
Ha mi a tuk sin.
Vig a chria ra vok an ocean. The clay would be too soft then.
A direct order such as be savach can be given more politely by framing it as a question. Cursonach be savach. Why don't you be quiet? Or be quiet.
Ha wyt ti anaf cws fwy ma hemish. Gysonach byw safach.
Och, Daddy, ha mi a cymsach na fiechek.
Be safach.
Ha mi accusachig na fiechek. I'm learning the whistle.
Nach, on its own, can also be used to make a suggestion or give an order. Nach be savach. Won't you be quiet? Nach say you shears. Won't you sit down?